Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the parts to this 1996 Barbie Folding Pretty bathroom. Item number 67555-91. This is a really pretty set. I love the combination of pinks and purples, lavender, and gold accents. This is the vanity with the pretty cardboard detailing on the back showing different accessories. So even if you don't have the accessories to this set, it looks really pretty in any place scene. The gold faucet with knobs is another beautiful thing. And the lavender with speckles countertop, I love that too. It's really cute. The base is white, none of the doors open. It's got a little towel bar on the side. I'm missing the towel that goes with this set. And here's the toilet. The toilet has the same speckled lavender coloring, and the tank lid comes off. The pink toilet lid opens, as well as the bottom seat. And it's the same lavender speckled color inside too. It's one of the cutest toilets I've seen in the Barbie group. Here is the scale in that pretty chrome gold shiny look with numbers. Let me see if I can get a better view of that. Numbers on the scale. You can see the 0. Looks like not a digital, but one of those with the dial on it. It doesn't move. It just shows the same setting. And here's the bathtub. Mine is missing the faucet, but has the gold knobs. And it's got a really pretty shape. Oh, it's a big oval shape with look of a line of tile in the back. And it comes with this purple flowered back brush. There are also other pieces to this set that I don't have. I'll list them in the description. But it's a really pretty house, and overall the Folding Pretty house itself with accessories and its playsets is one of the best, prettiest Barbie playsets that I've seen. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for coming to my channel. See you next time.